This unique workshop will demonstrate how a refined, potent set of clinical tools linked with a deep understanding of the Chinese classics can help you build a rewarding and prosperous practice.
Ikeda sensei has tirelessly translated the Chinese classical literature and applied these translations into his clinical practice. From there, he has reproduced the translations into teachings that modern day practitioners such as myself can utilise in my clinical practice. This is the bridge for us as practitioners back to the ancient art of classical Chinese medicine. Ikeda sensei's subtle translations of the classics embodies the natural environment, seasonal shifts, and how that relates to our treatment approach. The way Ikeda sensei ties acupuncture and Moxibustion with Chinese herbal medicine has given me very robust treatment strategies to apply to even the most difficult of clinical cases. The seminar really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see a living master firsthand.